there is a place always working to benefit patients' lives. A place where the patient comes first. Scantibodies Laboratories Incorporated. Custom antibody production. HBr active blockers. Contract manufacturing. Custom controls and calibrators. Contract lyophilization. IVD kits manufacturing. Patient care. Starting in a small garage in North Park, San Diego, California, Scantibodies Laboratory Incorporated was founded on May 20th, 1976. Tom Cantor and his wife, Cheryl Cantor, took the $130 in their pockets and started their journey. Scantibodies now has worldwide operations, with locations in several countries. The company's main focus has been to use antibodies, select them, detect, isolate, concentrate, and eliminate various biological agents that play a role in disease progression and monitoring. Scantibodies has an extended reputation in the IVD industry for antibodies and human control serum. The company carried out research that led to essential discoveries, particularly in the field of bone and mineral metabolism. Scantibodies has manufactured a myriad of products, everything from tumor markers, cardiac immunology and clinical chemistry controls, pregnancy test kits, cell-mediated tuberculosis tests, plasma and serum therapeutics, lyophilized controls, to top-quality HBr false positive active and passive blockers, which prevent patients from having to endure unnecessary surgeries, radiation, and chemotherapy. Scantibodies HBr is used in over 50 million cancer tests per year. We currently have the capacity to produce and package over 365 million devices per year. Before all of this manufacturing occurs, a team of chemists and engineers develops the proper antibodies and other elements to ensure all Scantibodies products are effective. Today, Scantibodies generates monoclonal antibodies in the cell culture department in Santee, California, using roller bottles, bioreactors, and shake flasks. Hybridoma cells are injected into these in vitro systems to make monoclonal antibodies. The product made in the cell culture department is referred to as cell culture supernatant. This product is transferred to the immunochemistry department and the protein lab, where it's purified and then used for medical diagnostics. The other product line that the antibody production department is responsible for is polyclonal antibodies. Instead of using hybridoma cells to inject into bioreactors, the process for making polyclonal antibodies is to inject the antigen of interest into larger animals, such as rabbits, goats, and sheep. The animal's immune system generates antibodies, and these are extracted from the whole blood. This process is done at Scantibodies Ramona Ranch facility. The ranch is an 8-acre facility which can hold over 1,200 goats and sheep and more than 500 rabbits. All of our mice reproduction and our in vivo monoclonal antibody production occurs in our state-of-the-art Tecate, Mexico facility, which has a capacity to house over 220,000 mice. These mice are located in state-of-the-art barrier rooms, which contain each of the breeding and production groups. Unique environmental controls are in place for every aspect of the Sani domes, including light, noise, humidity, positive air pressure, and air exchange. This world-class vivarium was built for in-house and contract monoclonal antibody production, as well as supplying mice. All production lots run through several rounds of qualification testing for both the reagents and the raw materials used to verify each test's quality and dependability before production begins. After antibody production, Scantibodies manufactures and processes different elements and tools for diagnostics, medical, and research science professionals. The Scantibodies Tecate facilities also has manufacturing capabilities with about 3,000 square feet of lyophilization shelf capacity, complete automated capping, labeling, packaging services, inventory storage, analytics, biochemical testing, microbial testing, validated water system, clean rooms, and flash freezers. Scantibodies plasma and serum is vital and foundational in order to produce new therapies for many life-threatening conditions. Plasma is extracted from the blood of healthy donors, The body can easily replace the donated plasma. Plasma cannot be manufactured synthetically. It must be collected from healthy donors. Plasma is used to produce therapies that treat people with rare chronic diseases, such as immune deficiency, pulmonary diseases, and hemophilia, as well as in the treatment of trauma, burns, and shock. Plasma is also used at diverse surgery procedures. Scantibodies Laboratory has been committing to advance in patient care from the start, offering over 1,500 medical diagnostic products. Scantibodies also offers medical services such as the latest digital MRI, PET CT scan, other medical imaging services, and personalized therapies with integrative medicine for chronic illnesses. The Scantibodies Imaging and Therapy Facility is located in Tecate, Mexico. Always building for the future, Scantibodies has a 275,000 square foot building in Tecate, Mexico, for additional antibody production, contract, and in-house manufacturing needs. In China, Scantibodies operations include sales, logistics, product importation, warehousing, shipping, and customer support. The skills and knowledge that Scantibodies has gained since 1976 is viewed as a divine trust by founder and president Tom Cantor. We are focused on expanding applications to help improve patient lives. When creating the facilities in Tecate, Mexico, Mr. Cantor wanted more than just a manufacturing plant. He wanted to create a work environment that would inspire and offer hope to the residents of Tecate, offering competitive wages and benefits, as well as a full-service restaurant with affordable meals provided daily, schooling for employees' children, and more. Scantibodies has changed many lives in Tecate and has brought the treatment of employees around the world into the spotlight, earning Scantibodies recognition for an outstanding work environment by media outlets across the country and by our customers and peers. The company's founder and president, Tom Cantor, has a solid foundational faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. Raised in a Jewish home, it wasn't until he met his wife Cheryl that he desired a relationship with the Lord Jesus. His success with Scantibodies has allowed him to do many things to glorify God, including the purchasing and operating of the Creation and Earth History Museum in Santee, California. It has since expanded the museum with the Human Anatomy Wing, but it is Mr. Cantor's love and passion for Jewish people that drives him. Mr. Cantor continuously looks for opportunities to share his faith in Jesus Christ, which focuses a day-to-day intention of loving purpose towards serving others. This is the core principle of Scantibodies Laboratory Incorporated, to harness God's elegant antibody creation so it can serve and benefit patient lives. Researchers at Scantibodies are constantly looking at diseases from new angles by asking a simple question. Can the abilities that Scantibodies has in making antibodies be used to benefit these patients? Cutting-edge research and development of new products at Scantibodies continues its focus in pushing open the doors of science to bring more solutions to diseases and cancer detection to an anxiously waiting world of patients who need our help.